Hello, it's Friday, but we can do Friday, not Wednesday. It's a perfect day to do weather Wednesday today, but we call it Friday. It's Friday. So I have two vehicles here. I have another one I wanted to show you, but today look at this snow. It's only 8 degrees out there. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna hop inside this vehicle. Come on over. So I want to show you one vehicle and the other one is some comparison, because we have all mix and model. I said from Honda, we have another vehicle. It's called Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a cool car. So I'm gonna come in. We're gonna put two cars side by side. Come on over. Go ahead, Happy. So you take these two vehicles side by side. So which vehicle would you rather have? It's preference. It's always drive both of them. The interior about this one is different, you can see. Very sporty interior. Review camera, and compared to the Honda CR-V, your review camera and audio displays is on top of here. On this one, we can look at that one in a minute. The difference between two vehicles and the roominess of the vehicle. So we can look at the back of those vehicles and see which room, which one would you rather have, which room or which one they both are. So if you like something that's different, we have the Volkswagen. You want something like the Honda CR-V. Two vehicles are unique. For each one is for everybody who wants a different type of vehicle. So it's Friday. Well, Wednesday 30th. We'll see you maybe Friday. No, maybe Wednesday. Coming up next week. So long, everybody.